Hello students, today we will discuss about the questions of the class. Actually the chapter which we discussed today, that was class and objects. So on the basis of that chapter we have these questions here. So the first question is that is how to access private instance variable in a class. How to access private instance variable in a class. Hint for this is private variables in any class cannot be accessed directly. So you will have to find out some solution for that one. You will have to find out some solution, some ways to access them, because when you have defined them as private, so you will surely access them. Then only is no use of putting them in the class. Then second question comes out, if we declare any variable without any access specifier, then how it will behave. So here behave means whether that will be accessible directly by the object, that is first. Whether that will be inheritable in subclasses, that is 2. And the third one is what access specifier would be resembling to the declaration of this variable. What access specifier be resembling to the declaration of this variable as far as scope and accessibility is concerned. This was the hint for second question, question number 20th. Question number 21st, what is the significance of default static variable? Now here we are discussing about the static variable. So here what you need to do as a hint here, what I want to give tell you as a hint here, static variables, default static variable, the significance I want to know whether this will be requiring any any object creation, whether this variable will remain throughout the class. Third, whether this variable will be accessible in the main function, and if such type of variables are available, like 2 variables are there, whether we will be able to find out some of those without using any object, and what will be the scope of this variable. So these we are expecting from this question. Then question number 22 comes out, can we inherit a public static variable? Can we inherit a public static variable? In the hint is in the subclasses, and whether its scope accessibility will be in subclasses, as it is a static variable. So you have to answer that, and you have to give an example by your code. Then next comes out, can enum be a public class? Keep in mind, in any program there can be only one public class, please. And if that is one public class, like enum is here, so how will you access it? That is 1. How will you create its object? That is 2. And can we use any method to access these variables? But please, enum should be the only one class. So keep in mind, this is a hint for you. So you need to do these 5 questions here, please. Okay, thank you very much for seeing this. That is 1. And second, I will try to answer them in the later on videos. Thank you very much for seeing again, please.